This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing contaminants because polish works on metal, not dirt. Once surface is rinsed and dry, put on gloves and eye protection. Dab a pea-sized amount of polish onto a clean microfiber pad and spread it thinly over a 6-8 inch area. Use light pressure, circular motions, keep the pad flat to avoid gouging. Move steadily, don't stop in one spot. This first pass breaks down oxidation and lays down the polish's active compounds. Once started, increase pressure slightly and maintain steady circular strokes to activate the abrasive particles and the chemical agents. Use a backing pad or low-speed rotary at 800–1200 RPM if machine polishing. Otherwise, manual work is fine. Make 3 to 5 overlapping passes per section, then wipe with a clean microfiber to inspect. If swirls appear, reduce pressure and use a finer polish. Make sure to flip pads often. Trapped grit creates scratches. You finish by buffing the entire area with a fresh, dry microfiber until the sheen is uniform. Once done, apply a thin protective layer, stainless sealant or non-abrasive wax, to lock in the finish and slow reoxidation. Spread thinly and buff again. Make sure edges and crevices are free of residue. If you see faint scratches, reapply a fine polish and repeat targeted, gentle passes. And if contamination reappears, deep clean and start the cycle again to avoid embedding grit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.